All right, here's my dove hunting setup on the Hawk 250 with Honda stickers on it. So this is what we got. Have my my stool here, just tied down with paracord. Also have these saddlebags. These saddlebags are gas mask bags from, I think, the Czech Republic, and I got them cheap. It was like, I don't know, 15 bucks for a gas mask, and it came with these bags. Took the gas mask out, but I have these bags have 2 pockets. This has 3 bottles of water in it. The other side has 2 boxes of shotgun shells. This has my hat, and this side has some cover the bike up with if I need to, and again, shotgun shells in there. I tied my shotgun up to the side here with paracord, again with a little slip knot, and I got it going through the saddlebags there, and then I have it tied in the front, and it goes up to this right here. So anyways, this is how I dove hunt in a Hawk 250. So, or on a motorcycle. Any type of motorcycle will do. Yeah, this is pretty secure, won't fly off at all. So anyways, wish me luck.